Hello everyone. I have ordered some books from Daraz. So let's unpack it together and see what's inside it. Let's unpack it together. It's very hard to unpack, but still I'm working. So I have ordered three novels of Khalid Hosseini. The first one is The Kite Runner, and the second is A Thousand Splendid Sun. It is also from Khalid Hosseini. And the third one is And the Mountains Echoed. Now let's talk about the page quality. So the first book is A Thousand Splendid Sun. Its page quality I would say is not that much good. It's of little bit poor quality. Yeah. And the second book is The Kite Runner. Its page quality is so-so. I mean, not that much good, not that much bad. It's of normal quality. And the third book is when we talk about its quality, I would say that its quality is quite good. I really like it. Yeah, very good quality, the way printing everything. So that's all about its quality. But I think I have bought this book at some reasonable prices, so I think that its quality is very good according to their prices. I am very excited to read these novels and can't wait to read them. So let's hope that they resonate me, and thanks for watching.